crazy. Good morning. We're headed to New School Automotive this morning to get a rare part installed for the Type R. I got a call like a week ago telling me that they have a TOMEI Type D there, so we're gonna head over there and get that thing installed. Hopefully it's a little bit faster, but I know for sure it's gonna be a lot louder. So let's go ahead and head there. I'm pretty much already late. Alright, we made it to New School. We just so happened that Delal and Selassie are here also to get an oil change. So you guys will actually see them in the next video where we're doing their new headlights for their SI. And here's the TOMEI. It's all packaged up right now. It's a dual tip Type D. Looks really freaking good. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys and see more closely how they did the welds and quality on these things. So light too. Why is it?
That's really good.
That's insane. This thing is light, and look at the welds on it too. That's crazy. What's this? TOMEI.
Yo!
Oh my god. Like
that's so
cool. In a badge.
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna have to replace the Mugen badge with the TOMEI.
Yeah.
Oh boy, that looks good.
And you get stickers too. This is raw.
That's sick. Alright, let's keep unboxing whatever. This thing died on me, so we're switching to this camera now. Quality's a little bit higher. It's just heavier and I hate carrying it, so let's continue. Oh, what we got here?
Oh, that's why I was thinking, why isn't it?
What we got? Also a Prl Front Pipe. We're also putting a front pipe on, yeah. What's the difference between titanium and metal?
Yeah, ready? This is actually, it like feels like aluminum.
Oh boy. Damn. Look at the tip. That's mint. That looks real nice. I'll like two of them, take it a minute. Dang. Oh, that's clean. Oh, alright, this is my old exhaust setup. This is an MXP Race Comp exhaust. And I had some aftermarket tips put on because the other ones weren't big enough to fill the gap. So, we currently have a stock front pipe as well. Damn, that's so ugly and small.
This is getting replaced?
Yep.
And titanium. Titanium.
All the way.
Titanium. All the way.
All wrapped up.
She was saying that the Yo Kind Assist doesn't work. In Birmingham, Alabama, where this hill area.
First startup. You gonna rev it too?
Well,
You can.
like 3,000.
All right. That's very loud. That's much louder than the last one, that's for sure. That's a lot. There's turbo noise too. That sounds really good. Holy shit.
Good.
I want to take it for a pull. Get some pops. Oh, that's not unbearable. People over-exaggerate.
Sounds real good though.
Oh, it does. Oh man, I like that. And it idles just fine.
And idle, it's quiet.
Yeah. Tomei did good. I appreciate it, Steven.
Yeah.
Really nice install.
It sounds real nice.
Love it. This looks so good.
I mean, I have.
Tomei. I love the sound. It's definitely loud. I knew it was gonna be loud when I bought it because everybody in the forums was saying that this is like the loudest exhaust setup that you can have, and everyone says it's like unlivable, but I don't think it's like unbearable. Again, shout out to New School Automotive. They gave me a call and told me that they had a Tomei, so I instantly hopped on it. That I figured would be smarter to do because I was able to get better footage of the install, and they have lifts and tools and everything. I've done multiple exhaust setups, I just don't have all this accessible to me. The fact that they had an exhaust here at the shop, I said might as well just install it while it's here. So definitely looks good, sounds good, and let's go for an actual drive. Yep, the startups definitely sound a lot more satisfying, that's for sure. Some turbo noise in it too. See, I didn't mind this car being like super loud because damn, everyone's gonna know when I'm pulling up now. Oh my god, that's so loud. Oh, that's awesome. It's a good noise. I don't think it sounds and best exhaust setup for the Type R that you can go if you want loud. I don't mind doing this loud because I have a BRZ on the way, which is going to be my daily. I don't think I could daily this car for that long, but it's only going to be a daily for a little bit longer. You got some crackle there, that sounds really nice. I do not mind making this car more track oriented and, you know, having parts like this, the Tomei. That's insane. Damn, loudest car for sure now. Oh, it gave me a pop. It gave me a pop. Yes, yes, yes. I'm okay. Sound like a child. I'm sorry. I'm very excited. I missed. Okay, so my last car was a 2015 Subaru WRX, and it had like the pop tune, flame tune shit. And then when I got the Type R, this is like the quietest car and has no pops or anything. It was very upsetting. It was a very like, it almost made me miss my Subaru, even though this car is like better in every way. But now that this thing pops and like screams like that, I am very satisfied. I love the way this sounds. It sounds very good. I don't know, maybe it's because I came from a Subaru that this doesn't seem as bad to me. I mean, a lot of the Type R owners, you know, seem to not like their car too loud. I wouldn't recommend this for a daily. I would get a headache, but this is a great setup going. The Tomei alone with the stock downpipe and front pipe, I think would be a great setup for a daily, but as for Catless Downpipe, Prl Front Pipe, and Tomei Catback, I think this is a good setup for like what I'm trying to do with the car. I get a lot more noise out of it, which is something I wanted, and then, you know, I feel like it suits more for the track with all the noise it's gonna make and the more airflow that I'm gonna be able to get out of this titanium exhaust. It shed a lot of weight compared to the MXP Comp RS. Now don't get me wrong, I love the MXP Comp RS. It's just I was looking for more of a loud exhaust that connected to the front pipe with the Type R. So this sounds good to me. Met up with Justin here, and we're gonna get some rolling sound clips from the exterior.
It's loud.
Dude, let's have a revving contest with this guy. Damn, Corvette. on that one.
Yeah.
He's got more cylinders.
He's got you beat.
Man, that's crazy.
It's
Holy
loud, yeah.
It's so loud.
It's insane. That's so crazy how loud this is. This car is not even loud anymore, it's just obnoxious. But I will say, if you drive it at the speed limit at 2,500 RPM, it's quiet. Like, it's not like super quiet, but it's like very manageable for like a neighborhood like this. See, this seems perfectly fine. So I would say this exhaust could work for a daily if you really like the sound of a loud car. Yeah, you could get through quiet places with the quiet tone if you're at the right RPM. So it's just most of the time this thing is going to be pretty loud and pretty obnoxious, and it'll be loud when you want it to be loud too. So you downshift second, you know, you got to keep it quiet. You're in a neighborhood, perfectly fine. This car can do that. All right. Loud, huh?
That is stupid.
That's crazy. Yeah, those things are TOMEI, and then Catless, and then
I had a
Prl Front
feeling you
Pipe.
went with the tone.
I went with the TOMEI. Yeah, dude, it's crazy. They look super nice, burnt tip and everything. Oh, I'm gonna put the license plate frame on too, but they give me a badge. I was like, that looks nice. I was like, shit. We can go ahead and switch out this Mugen badge to TOMEI since we're running a TOMEI now. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on this TOMEI badge here. Looks a little ricer. I don't know. I don't know if I'll keep that. It doesn't look awful, but I don't know how I feel about that. Definitely gonna put the license plate frame on, so. And there you go. The whole TOMEI setup is here. TOMEI badge, TOMEI license plate frame, TOMEI Catback exhaust. But I definitely like this over the Mugen one because I don't have Mugen taillights. The only thing I have on my car that's Mugen is the Rainguards, so it did feel a little fake rocking a Mugen badge, but this TOMEI, it's a little cheap looking and flashy, so that might not last too long, but that looks good. I think that pretty much concludes today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys are new here, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We have a lot of exciting things coming for the Type R. It's gonna be full bolt-on and going to the dyno tune soon, and then we also have a 2022 BRZ on the way, so thank you guys for watching, and don't forget, never stop dreaming.